watch number 125.
Oh, come on, HH, your batteries are running low.
This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Monroe, Oakland, St. Clair, Washington, and Wayne. And the following: St. Clair River, Detroit River, and Lake St. Clair, and Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan.
Took them like 7 minutes to air it.
For the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards.
There was that.
C63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 152.5. Severe thunderstorm warning for Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 12:45 p.m. At 11:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms
Livingston and Shiawassee County.
Extending from near Williamsburg to near Williamston to near Leslie.
Right there.
Moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Williamsburg around 11:50
First SVR of the day.
Harry and more ice around 11:55 a.m. Byron and Bancroft around noon.
Wow, it's pretty warm today.
12:05 p.m. Howell around 12:10 p.m. Pawhuska and Oak Grove around 12:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Plainfield, Island State Recreation Area, Conway Township, Pinckney State Recreation
I'm gonna
Area, Vernon,
start the live stream.
Lakeland, Joseph, Bennington, and Unadilla. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Livingston and Shiawassee. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Tornado watch 125 in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. West of today, breezy. Not as cool. Rain and thunderstorms in the late morning and early afternoon. Then rain and a chance of thunderstorms early in the evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes in the late morning and early afternoon. Near steady
Oh my god! Frick it. Oh shit, the winds are observed! Winds are observed!
severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Gregory to near Stockbridge to near Grass Lake, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 12:09 p.m., the Jackson Airport reported a wind gust of 63 miles per hour. Impact, expects damage.
Okay, I'm still in the 5% tornado risk. The slight, you know, the marginal is so small, bro. It's like the size of a freaking ant on the map. The marginal on it.
Salem and Dixboro around 1 p.m. Canton around 1:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hudson Mills.
Yeah, Jules, I know. Jules, I know that they moved it a bit.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
First they increased the tornado risk, and then they not increase. First they decreased the tornado risk, and then they downgraded me to a slight.
Tornado watch number 125.
The only thing that didn't even change was the percentage of the tornado risk. Even though it moved the same way as the slight, I'm still under the 5%, so I'm still keeping an eye on the tornadoes. Just in case. Because, you know, this tornado watch wouldn't be issued for nothing. There was no tornadoes. And yes, as you guys know, I plugged in these four so they can be in the event. Although this thing didn't go off because even though I have it literally by my window, bad reception. It doesn't look like there's bad reception, but literally when I was plugging it in, it was right there. Just, yeah. Alright. Crap! I freaking hate this! Where's the battery? Put this battery back in! My gosh! Freaking annoyed by this already. This thing already just freaking went off and the battery fell out. Oh my gosh.
Thunderstorms will be near St. Clair Shores and St. Clair around 1:25 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of
No!
and Metro Beach Metro Park will be near around 1:30 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Snow Light.
Dang it. Everything's going wrong, bro. My freaking batteries fell on my EH and the thing our computer decided to close on live.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for southeastern Michigan and adjacent waters of Lake St. Clair. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Tornado watch 125 in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon, west of today. Located along a line extending from Memphis near Paulding, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Livonia, Bryan, Wildfield, Ottawa, Archbold, Montpelier, Swanton, Paulding, Leipzig, Gessler, Antwerp, West Unity, Toledo, Pioneer, Stryker, Fayette, Payne, and Liberty Center.
This is the exact storm I'm tracking right now because it's going to be moving up to Lenawee County soon, and oh my gosh. Freaking roof. Now my recom's lit. Set this back.
Weather, including tornado and damaging winds in and close to Ohio until 3 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending.
Bet you this is going to be a doubleheader because of the SGA, unless if it's not for Lucas County.
Miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source emergency management.
Ooh.
At 1:37 p.m., emergency management reported a tree on a house in Defiance County, Ohio.
Oh no.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Bowling Green, Fostoria, Swanton, Perrysburg, Oregon, Sylvania, Rossford, Waterville, Northwood, White House, North Baltimore, Holland, Weston, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Walbridge, Pemberville, Middlebury, and Haskins. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: Lucas, Ohio.
Yeah, it's not for Lucas, so won't doubleheader.
Here is the forecast for southeast lower mid.
But it's probably already. It probably already went over. K297.
Up to 25 miles per hour. Friday, Marino Beach, Vermilion, and Lake Erie. On Point Swift, which is 25 miles from shore.
Yep. Oh. Same alert, but different station now. There's a better spot, come on. I'll deal with that.
To St. Marie. Issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie.
That was the same area for the previous marine warning.
2:25 p.m.
And of course I jinxed it because of that storm. Heading towards there. Woo!
Nautical miles west of Lapeer to 15 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving northeast at 60 knots. Hazard.
Shut up, Memphis.
40 knots. Source, radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near North Cape, Lapeer, Woodline Beach, and Detroit Beach around 2:45 p.m. Bowles Harbor of Refuge, Astral Beach, and Stony Point around 2:50 p.m. Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor, Detroit River Light, Monroe Harbor, and Gibraltar around 2:55 p.m. Elizabeth Park Marina and Grosse Ile around 3 p.m. Wyandotte around 3:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Astral Beach, and Detroit Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for southeastern Michigan, the adjacent waters of Lake Erie, and the adjacent waters of Lake St. Clair.
At least it didn't say Lake St. Clair.
Hazardous weather passes. This is a special weather statement. For the following counties.
We do have another storm on our hands, though, as it's strengthening again.
The operator was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from near Deerfield to Ottawa Lake to 6 miles north.
This Jake's is gonna keep on getting more insane than it already is.
Hazard. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source.
This thing finally went off.
Impact.
Thank you, 100.
Downstreams and blow around unsecured objects. Strong thunderstorms will be near Petersburg around 2:25 p.m. Today, Ida and Lambertville around 2:30 p.m. Temperance and maybe around 2:35.
Alright guys, here's the storm so far. It's pretty bad. And there's water leaking from my sister's room's window. Oh my gosh. And yeah, of course there's water coming out the roof. And yeah, there's a thermostat that was already installed there. Surprise, there's not even a warning yet.
Watch number 125 until 4 p.m. for the following counties. By the way, Livingston, Montcalm, St. Clair, Washington, and the following Detroit River, Lake St. Clair, and Mississippi.
They're gonna have to issue a flood warning or a flash flood warning soon because this rain is pretty heavy. At least there's like a little gutter right there, so it'll probably get rid of it. It'll probably get rid of like most of the flooding. But just in case, they'll still have to issue a flood warning for this.
Alert for rapid.
I literally have to put this radio up to my ear just to hear it. Oh my gosh. Look at the sidewalk. Oh my gosh. Crap. Look at that. Jesus Christ.
Elizabeth Park Marina.
Lightning.
Woodland Beach.
What? Alright. Wait, hold on. Where did she go?
She went to go pick up Sailor.
Alright. What? I heard the last part, but what the fuck?
It starts getting really windy.
Alright. my gosh.
Petersburg around 2:25 p.m. Jimmy, Ida and Lambertville about 2:30.
It's like, what, 2:59 right now. It's 3. It's almost 3. It's actually 3 p.m. because my watch is like half. It's like behind by a half minute. Thunder. Hoping I don't drop this tablet because it's the only device I have left to record with because my phone's broken.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for southeastern Michigan. The Lake St. Clair forecast. Tornado watch 125 in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Small craft.
Hoping they enjoyed this weather.
Rest of today, south winds 15 to 20 knots, increasing to 20 to 20.
All right, well it's not looking as bad, but it sounds loud. Mostly because, yeah, it's right because you know the roof. So yeah.
Likely in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes.
I don't know why they have that pause on there.
4 feet in the afternoon.
What's the point?
Tonight, southwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 30 knots.
Jesus Christ.
20 knots in the late evening and early morning, then diminishing to 10 to 15 knots early in the morning. Mostly cloudy with a chance of light rain and thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding towards a 3 feet in the late evening and overnight. Thursday, west winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing 15 to 20 knots in the late evening. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Thursday night, west winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots.
That was a very close call.
Knots becoming north 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon.
My mom has to go pick up my sister in this weather. Huh. I feel bad. I feel bad that she has to pick her up in this shitty thing, in this shitty weather.
Mostly clear. Waves 2 feet or less. On the radio, all hazards. Station keys C63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in Langley at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Rest of today, breezy. Not as cool. Rain. Thunderstorms early in the afternoon, then a chance of thunderstorms early in the evening. Near steady temperature in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts.
Why not a little thumbnail photo?
Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour in the evening.
Alright, that's perfect.
Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, much cooler.
Alright.
Partly cloudy.
It's kind of starting, the rain's starting to kind of calm down now a bit,
West winds 10 to
so
20
it's
miles.